I see a lot of portfolios all the time. My top tip for you is try to stick with a generic platform or website to showcase your work, like ArtStation, Behance, or GitHub. The reason I say that is because these hiring managers are looking through a lot of different portfolios, and they know how to navigate the easier ones and the more popular ones. So what I suggest is stick it on there. They'll be able to see your best work straight away, and there'll be no confusion.
If you're a programmer or an artist, showcasing your older work, as long as it's clear when it was done, is a perfect tool to showing how your skills have evolved. Being able to see personal progression is vital for hiring managers. It gives them the chance to see how well you'll adapt to new skills, tasks, and software.
Avoid work in progress pieces. As tempting as it might be to show off your latest project, a collection of unfinished pieces in your portfolio will actually work against you. It could give the impression that you don't see projects through to the end and that you get bored and move on at the earliest opportunity.
Ideally, your portfolio should be seen in conjunction with your CV, but that doesn't always have to be the case. It is always good practice also to include your contact details somewhere on your portfolio so that anyone who's interested can make contact with you. Recruiters often use portfolio sites to find the perfect candidate, so you might just end up having the perfect job come straight to you.
Just like on a CV, it's important to be specific when explaining how you've done what you've done. Don't just assume that people will know your skills from the work that you've done. Ensure you have a short write-up that accompanies each project, explaining how you made it, what technical skills that you used, and the software that went into it.